Now, so now we have completed 250 is 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 6 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 4 20. Okay, 20 over now up to here. 20 plus 8 28 plus 4 32, 32 plus 4 16, 36, 36 plus 2 38, 38 plus 10 38. Next we have to go for this is third orbit is completed now. F means third, I can see already. F means third is completed. Now go to fourth. Third orbit is completed. So F is completed means third orbit is completed. Now go to fourth orbit. This is 38 48 you get got now. 50 50 you have to get it. So 50 means 48. Another 2 is required. So suppose if it is 100. If it is 100, then what is going to happen? Remaining are the required, remaining also required. So here 48 is over. No, remaining we have to get it. Means merely 42 is required. 52 is required to complete 100 n number. So distribution is like that. So G now the third orbit F is completed now. F orbit, third orbit F is completed. Now go for G orbit. Sorry. N is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 means G. So N minus N minus 2. So this value N is 4 already got. Less than again it is not 0, it is not 1. So 4 minus again N minus 2 means 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. We are getting D orbits. 2 minus 2 is there, so we have to make it 0 or 1 this one. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we got S orbital. So G orbits, if you go to fourth orbit, the GDS we are getting. These orbits will not get overlap. So not overlapping orbit GDS. So now H is also will not overlap in the other cases. So G if I write G value. So here 1G. So here you can write here S starts from 1 by 2. P starts from 3 by 2, D starts from 5 by 2, F starts from 7 by 2, and G starts from 9 by 2, like this. So G starts from 9 by 2. So it is also 9 by 2 minus 1, 7 by 2. So if I write powers, 7 is there, 8 nucleons exist there. So 9 by 2 means 10 nucleons exist here. So next orbit is D. So 2. So means 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 is equal to D. It is also not getting overlap. So it is also not getting overlap like this. So D means D starts from where? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 it will be D 3 by 2. Why? Because 5 minus 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 will get it. So now just wait. Here, this second time or third time, how many times you have used? You can see that picture. Here, in this case, D first time used here. Here also first time. This is first 1 is there. Next again D didn't come here up to here. Up to 48 D is not repeated. But here D is repeated. So I can write in this case 2 and 2. Okay, 2 times. Second time repeated time. So now if I extend this one. If I extend this one to G orbit, fourth orbit, now what I am doing is, so what I am doing is next G orbit, G 9 by 2 over power of 10. Next after P, this next orbit is 1. Next 1G 7 by 2, 9 by 2 minus 1, because here already we got it. Here. So 9 by 2 or this is our next D. Okay. So here 7 means 8, and after this is 4 minus 2 means next another one is D. Next orbit is what's that? If you take D 5 by 2, 3 by 2. So here D 1, so second time not D 5 by 2, Next to D 3 by 2. So 5 by 2 6, 3 by 2 means 3 is there 4. Okay, now if I take carefully that one, other one, if you look at here, here we got here 4 minus 2 2, it is not 0, it is not 1, so we can get it. So 2 minus 2, so 2 is remains, either it should be here 0 or 1, then only we will show it, we will stop. So 2 minus 2 is not 0, 2 is not equal to 0 and 2 is not equal to 1 also. So 2 minus 0, so S orbit, it can give you 1s 1 by 2, but S is already has come so many times, I think so. So that number I will write here, what name you have to give it, whether number 1 2 3, that will write, see it. So in this case up to here, if you see that once 1 it got 1 time, 2 times it got 2, and here I didn't get any S. Okay, now I am getting, so now I am getting, so I can write here, this is third time, 3s of 3s by 2, so 2 here I can write, so I am writing there, so 3s of 2. So if we 48, if I get 48 plus 10, 48 plus 10, 58, 58 plus 8, 66, 66 plus 6, 7, 66, 72, 76, 76, 78. So still we got 78 only. So means 48 plus 10, 58, 58 plus 8, 58 plus 8, 66, 66 plus 72, 72 plus 4, 76, 76 plus 2, 78. So 78 we have stopped here. Now still it is not reached to 100. So some more is required. So 100 minus 78 means we are remaining over there. So we can write remaining over there. Means some 22 is required, I think so. So 22. Remaining 22 we can get rid of fifth orbit. Go to fifth orbit now. We will go to fifth orbit. We are moving to fifth orbit. So fifth orbit. So fifth orbit, if you take it. So fifth orbit, if you take it, the fifth orbit after G, fifth orbit is H. Okay, this H. So n is equals to 5. 5 means H. Okay. Now we'll write here one by one in order. 5 means H. 5 minus 2 means 3. Means H is over H, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, E, B, C, S, D, S, P, D, S, P, D, F, F. So HF. F. Third orbit means the third means F. So 3 minus, again 3 minus 2 means P. H is also not overlapping, the case is different, so I can write here. So 1 H, here 9 by 2 is there, plus 2 if I write 11 by 2. So power 12. So here H first time 9 by 11 by 2 means 9 by 2 will get it, 11 by 2 minus 1 whole power 10. Next F, if I get, so if I get it like this, F is not overlapping with H, so I can write here F is equals to F value F. So here S, P, D, F, G, H I. So of 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. So I can write 7 by 2. Second time you are getting, I think so. F already we got it or not. We'll see it. First time already we got F. So we got first time F, G, not now. So only once you got F, so you are getting the second term now. So second time you are getting the F 7 by 2 I am writing. Another one is 2F 5 by 2. Why? Because 7 minus 2, 5 by 2. So P is last term here, 1 means P. P is again dividing into two terms. So P is 1. How many P's you got? We'll check it once. So here, if I take here, P is not there. First time P got, second time P got, third time we didn't get P. So I can write here the P is coming third time. So 3P. 3P means 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Again another P is 3, 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. So like this variation is present. Power 4, this power 2, this power 6, this power 7 means 8. I can write extend. So I am extending to another orbit of H. So H1, H11 by 2, 12. So 1H 9 by 2 whole power 10. Here P is the next as our order, as our case 5 minus 2 3. That's why F orbit is starting. So F orbit is like this, 2F 7 by 2, 2F. So I am writing here 2F 7 by 2. So it is 5 by 2. Wait, SPDF, SPDEF, G, H, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Yes, 7 by 2. Power 8 because 7 is there. Other second time F 5 by 2. Next, after completion of F, we can write here, we can get it here. So H is over, it is over, it is over. Now it is there. 3P 3 by 2, 3P 1 by 2. These are there. So because here orbit is fifth orbit. Orbit is fifth orbit. So I can write here. So 3P 3 by 2. Next 3P 1 by 2. So here 4, here 2, here 5 means 6. So like this. So 12 plus 10, 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus the 8, 30, 36, 40, 42. So 42, 42 plus 22. You are getting so 78 now, 78. Sorry, 78 plus 22. 2 means 100. 100. So 100 we are getting. Suppose its value is 1 if n is equals to 140. What about the case? We have to extend further also. We have to extend this one further also. So here it is stopped. But here total value is, here for total value is, see, 22, 30, 36, 40, 42. So here up to here 42 is happened in this orbit, in the case of H orbit. Now come to another orbit. H orbit is completed. Now another orbit. Orbit is, so here orbit is 6th orbit. We will go to 6th orbit. n is equal to 6th orbit. If I go to 6th orbit, here I can write I orbit. This is called I orbit. Okay, so I can write here 1 by 1. 6 means L is equal to 6 means n is equal to 6. So L is equal to 6. 6 means I orbit. Okay, it is getting overlap. So it is getting overlap with the, we'll see how many overlaps is going to be happen. We'll check it. So 6 minus 2, 4. 4 means G. Next 4 minus is 2, SPD D. So 2 minus 2, yes, 0. 0 means yes. So I can write here, carefully I can write here S. So I is going to overlap with GD. So I can write here like this. And here I can write this is 1. This one I can write here like this. Okay. This I can write like this. This one write like this. So this is I am writing like this. I first time 6 is there. I means S P D F. S is 1 by 2. P is 3 by 2. D is 5 by 2. F is 7 by 2. G is 7 by 2, 9 by 2. H is 11 by 2. I is 13 by 2. So 13 by 2 whole power of 14. Now G is coming. G is 4. So G means 9 by 2. So G 9 by 2 here. But it is coming how many times I don't know. I will check it once again. So this value I have to check it once. So G is coming how many times means up to here. So G is coming first time, here not at all coming. So first time only we got first G, here not at all. So the previous case G is not there. You can see it. G is not there. So G is not there. F only we have got. So G starts from here. So from this place G is not there. And here also G is not there. But now first time you are getting now. So second time you are getting. So I will write 2. 9 by 2. Whole power of 10. Now I got D. D we got so many times now. You will see whether how many times we got. So D means already we got second time D. Here not at all there. So D is coming. I think D is coming. So D second time only we got. And the another orbit we didn't repeat it. It is not repeated. So D. So I will write here this D value. Third time it is repeated D. So D is third time repeated. Okay. Now so D is third time D 5 by 2 over 6 D F G H. Okay, D is 5, D 5 by 2. But here this is belongs to I 13 by 2 now. So this is moving there. So moving here means 13 by 2 minus 1. So 11 by 2. So I 11 by 2 first time whole power of 12. Now come to see it here this one. Now this belongs to G. So G is 9 by 2 already we got second time. So 2 G 9 minus 1, 9 by 2 minus 1, 7 by 2 whole power of 8. Okay, next this is coming from S. So S is already so many times we got it. We'll see how many times it has come. So we'll check S first time in the first orbit, second time in the second orbit, second time, so here third time, so here third time. S is not there here, so this is last one up to here we didn't get third time only. So S we are getting fourth time, S 1 by 2, S power 1 by 2, 2. Now this is belongs to D. So D is having 3 by 2 already, 3D 5 by 2 is there. So I can write here 3D 3M 3 by 2, because 5 by 2 minus 1 3 by 2. So whole power 4 I can write. So this order we have to maintain while writing. This order we have to maintain while writing. So I am writing that additional calculation also. Here I can write 6th orbit is starting. So 6th orbit, if I start it here writing I 1I 13 by 2 whole power of 14. Yes, next in this case what is there? 2G 9 by 2. After this immediately it will come 2G 9 by 2. So 2G 9 by 2 whole power 10. After this I can write after I G is coming, G after D is coming 3D 5 by 2. So 3D 5 by 2 whole power 6. Next 3D 5 by 2 is over. Next, so this is over, this is over, this is over, this is over. This is I 11 by 2. So first I 11 by 2, because 13 is 10 minus 1 11 is 12. Next so GD has come. Next D will come. Here you can see it. Next after I again you are getting what, sir? This is directly coming S by 2, S1 by 2. So I after I, we forgot to tell you this G is there. See that it is this and next this one. Why? Because again it is connected to I, but second term of this term of another connection has gone to where? Immediate I. So 2G 7 by 2, 2G 9 by 2 is that this second term is coming here. So after I, so that we have tried. So 2G 7 by 2 whole power 8. So next term after G, next S 4S 1 by 2. So I am getting 4S 1 by 2 whole power of 2. After S immediate D, means S is in between the D and G. So D is 3D 3 by 2. You can get 3D 3 by 2 whole power 4. If I 14 plus 10, 24, 30 plus 12, 42, 40, 50, 52, 52, 56. So 56. So already we got here 100 plus 56, 156 we got. So we got in this case 140 is also crossed. we came to 152 now. If it is 152, you can calculate like this. Like this, by this order you can get 152 total. 152. Oh, sorry, 156. Like this you can calculate it. Total up to there, the nuclear numbers can be arranged like this. So many we can do it, but here I'm going to stop. So up to that only we can do more problems. More than that, the problems we cannot. We can do it, but the thing is not now. So it has taken too much of time to complete. So thank you very much.